Hey guys, this is Stephen with Yarbrough & Sons, and we get a lot of questions throughout the year on replacing the HVAC system and what all that entails. What I want to do today is break it down for you a little bit and go over a few things as far as when is the right time to replace your system. Replacing the HVAC system in your home is something that most people don't think about until the system suffers a catastrophic failure. So the typical life expectancy of an HVAC system in Oklahoma is anywhere between 12 and 15 years, and depending on the manufacturer, the parts warranties will range from 2 to 10 years. This means that when using the higher of both of these values, when the manufacturer parts warranty runs out, your HVAC system is at 2/3 of its average life expectancy. Let's look at this from a different perspective. So on average, a vehicle owner will replace their car every 5 years. In Oklahoma, the average driver travels 17,000 miles per year. This means that if the vehicle is new, they replace their vehicle when it's got about 88,000 miles on it. Now, according to Consumer Reports, the average vehicle lasts around 150,000 miles. That means that the average driver will replace their vehicle with 40% of the vehicle's life left. Now, one of the most frequent questions I get asked when talking about replacing the HVAC system in your home is, how much does it cost? So a full system replacement by a reputable company in Oklahoma is going to range anywhere from $8,000 to $24,000 based on size, efficiency, and necessary updates for code. Now, while that's a lot of money, there are rebates from equipment manufacturers, local energy companies. There's also federal tax rebates that can help offset some of those costs. Now, installation costs could be lower from September through April when the companies are slower, as opposed to when companies are busier between May and August. So when is the right time for you to replace your HVAC system? Well, if your system is old enough to drive, you might consider replacement. If your system's reached those rebellious teenage years, you might consider replacement. If your system's old enough to drink, you should strongly consider replacement. Ultimately, the decision's up to you. You can wait for a catastrophic failure and potentially have to wait a few days to get the system replaced, or you could be proactive and replace the system before it's an emergency.